Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Acme, Alberta began as a dot on a railway map, literally the highest point on the Canadian Pacific Railway's northern construction line in 1909. That's where the name came from. Acme is Greek for the peak. When the first train pulled in on July 7, 1910, it wasn't just passengers and freight that arrived, it was the start of a village. That same day, Acme was officially incorporated, the first village in what would eventually become Knee County. The railway shaped everything. For years, Acme was the end of the line, a supply hub for settlers spreading out across the prairie. Families stepped off the train here with trunks and hope, and many stayed. Though the grain elevators that once defined the skyline are gone, the memory of them lingers in the wide open view and the steady rhythm of trucks hauling wheat and canola through town. Agriculture still anchors life here. The land around Acme is rich and productive, supporting grain farms, cattle operations, and the trucking businesses that keep them moving. Oil and gas have added to the local economy, but the fields remain constant. On a clear day, you can hear the hum of machinery in the distance, and in the fall, the scent of harvest hangs heavy in the air. The Acme Community Center stands where the old Memorial Hall once did, rebuilt after a fire in 2004. It's more than just a building, it's where the town gathers, where stories are passed down, and where the past quietly informs the present. Just down the road, Acme School still serves local kids, its gym echoing with the same sounds of basketballs and school concerts that generations before would recognize. Acme isn't flashy, it doesn't need to be. Its story is written in the rail ties and harvest rows, in the names on the mailboxes that haven't changed in decades, and the quiet pride of a place that remembers where it came from. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting, of course. And feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.